channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Threads account. So, this Threads account is uh, a Instagram extension. So, you have to go for your Instagram account. After that, you have to go for in this tree line option, and you can see here is a Threads option here. Okay, here. So, you have to go for it, and you can see this is your Instagram information. So go for in this open threads option. Now you can see a page like this. So you have to go for in this link, which is your Instagram accounts information. So you have to enter threads to your Instagram with your Instagram. So okay, so if you don't have threads account, then you have to uh, install the threads uh, app. After that, you can see a page like this. Now you can add your bio from here, and you can add link. Otherwise, if you want to import your information from Instagram, then go for import from Instagram. Go click on continue. Now you can add your profile as public or private. So I'll go for public profile. Go for continue, and you can follow all of your followers, all of your follow accounts from Instagram, or you can just follow one or two from here. Then go for in this arrow button. So it shows you how threads works, so you can um, read it from here. After that, you have to go for join threads. So you can see this is your threads account. So this is how you can make a threads account. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.